In a significant diplomatic event, US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin met for a high-level summit in Alaska. Both leaders described the meeting as productive and mutually respectful, though no formal agreement was announced. Notably, this was Putin's first visit to the US in a decade, and the summit focused heavily on the ongoing war in Ukraine, with broader implications for global security and US-Russia relations. So first up, let's focus on key takeaways from the summit. No deal on Ukraine, but progress claimed. Trump said while no agreement was reached, the two sides made significant headway. He emphasized there is no deal until there is a deal. Putin signals understanding with Trump. Russian President Vladimir Putin claimed they reached an agreement on Ukraine and warned Europe not to derail what he called a nascent progress. Criticism of Biden and praise for Trump. Putin stated the war in Ukraine would not have happened if Trump had remained in office, taking a veiled swipe at former President Joe Biden. Ukraine remains a threat to Russia. Putin also reiterated that the internal situation in Ukraine poses a fundamental threat to Russian security, but he also acknowledged the need to ensure Ukraine's own security as part of any peace plan. Trump to consult allies. Trump announced plans to speak with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and NATO leaders to discuss the summit and possible next steps. Trump revives Russia hoax claims. The US President referenced the 2016 election interference investigation, calling it a hoax and very criminal. Next meeting in Moscow? Well, Putin invited Trump for a follow-up summit in Moscow, to which Trump responded, "I could see it happening." Other than that, there was a lot of symbolism in the meeting as well. There was a red carpet welcome for Putin. Putin was given a warm welcome on US soil, riding with Trump in the presidential limousine from the tarmac to the summit venue. And further, Putin also signaled an end of isolation. Russian officials celebrated the summit as proof that Russia is no longer isolated on the global stage. However, despite the cordial tone and positive rhetoric, the summit produced no concrete commitments or breakthroughs. The press conference was brief and offered little clarity on the future of the conflict in Ukraine or the path forward for diplomacy. The Alaska summit marked a shift in tone, if not in substance. Now, while both leaders praised their talks, the absence of a clear roadmap leaves questions about the impact of the meeting on Ukraine, NATO, and the broader international order. For now, the world waits to see whether this understanding will translate into real-world progress or fade into another moment of missed opportunity on the global stage. What are your views? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.